आउज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू करते हैं जो बड़ा मेहरबान और नहायत रहम करने वाला है। हमारे सब्जेक्ट का नाम फ़िलासफ़ी ऑफ एजुकेशन है और हम इस वक्त यूनिट नंबर 9 को पढ़ने जा रहे हैं और इस यूनिट का नाम है थिंकर्स इन एजुकेशन। और इस को जो प्रेजेंट कर रहा है यानी कि मैं मोहम्मद सल्ला ख़ान हूँ और ये हमारा बीएड का कोर्स है और ये हमारा कोर्स कोड है 8609 और हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम है अल्लामा इकबाल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम चलते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन पे। तो क्या है, अर्ली चाइल्डहुड इज़ अ पीरियड व्हेन द फाउंडेशन ऑफ थिंकिंग, being known, and acting are becoming hard worth, and relationships with others and with the environment are becoming established. It is also a time for providing significant grounds for adult activists around environmental issues. This unit focused on the thinkers of early childhood education. In this unit, emphasis has been laid upon the theoretical perspectives that have contributed to the history and philosophy of early childhood education in the current early childhood content. Objectives. Number one, understand the Montessori system of early childhood education. Number two, recognize basic elements of Froebel system. Number three, explain Ferrari's Dalton plan. Number four, evaluate the background and usefulness of critical thinking pedagogy. तो आइए स्टूडेंट्स शुरू करते हैं अपना ये चैप्टर यूनिट नंबर 9 जो कि आखिरी हमारा 8609 का है। पहला है जी मारिया मोंटेसरी। 8670 से 1952 तक इनकी एज ये रही हैं। तो ये खातून थी और इनके बारे में पढ़ें तो इनका नाम है जी मारिया मोंटेसरी। वॉज बॉर्न ऑन अगस्त 31st 1870 इन द प्रोविंशियल town of Charavalli, Italy, to middle class, well educated parents. Montessori graduated with high honor from the medical school of the University of Rome in 1896. Her work has been a significant contribution to improve the standard of education for young children, and her method and materials have been adopted in public and private schools around the world. आगे पढ़ते हैं जी। इनकी फ़िलासफ़ी क्या थी? द फाउंडेशन ऑफ मारिया मोंटेसरीज approach is respect for the children as a worth individual occupied with the task of developing himself into a mature human adult. He observed children's need for independence, for self-confidence as adequate people for control over their own impulses and emotion and natural curiosity and desire to learn. If the environment is orderly and readily accessible, and if the child are free to work through their own cycle of activity at their own pace, they can learn to read, write, and calculate in the same nature way they learn to walk and talk. What is Montessori? आइए स्टूडेंट्स देखते हैं। Montessori is a special way for children and adults to be taught. Every aspect of experience is planned to help children becoming confident, capable, creative, caring, and happy people who are a delight to be with. आगे है the Montessori philosophy of education influence all aspects of child's experience. All activities are carefully planned to make it easy for children to become that special person each child can be. Again, teachers are called directs to remain them to gently direct and guide the children in their activities rather than dictate the children every move. The leaders to mature respect and affect helping the children develops confidence in their own ability. Montessori sets the stage to allow groups of children to have these experiences without infringing on each other's rights or needs. The first 6 years, according to Montessori, the most important period of life is not the age of university studies, but the period from the birth, the age 6. It is now commonly accepted from conceptions to act free for Allah age for the individual develop 50% of his her mature intelligence from the age 4 to 8 another 30%. This indicates that the rapid growth of intelligence in the early year and the importance of the early environment on the development. A child who spends the first 6 years in a loving and sporting environment learns to love himself, herself, and feel safe in the world. A child who has experienced the joy of making a contribution to her family or group learn to love making an effort and feel needed. Her ideal was that the learning experience should occur naturally and joyfully at the per, uh, proper moment for each individual child. It is true we cannot make a genius, she wrote. We can only give each individual the chance to fulfill his her potential to become an independent सिक्योर एंड बैलेंस ह्यूमन बीइंग. आगे जी चलते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. ये है जी व्हाट इज मॉन्टेसरीज फिलॉसफी. अब चलें ये स्टूडेंट देखते हैं क्या होगी. अकॉर्डिंग टू डॉक्टर मारिया मॉन्टेसरी, a child's work is to create the person he will become. Children are born with special mental powers which aid in the work of their own construction. Based to Maria's philosophy is her discovery of sensitive period in child's development. During this period of children seek certain stimuli and immense intensity to the exclusion of all others. So it is during the time that the child can easily master a particular learning skill. The focus of Montessori education continuously changed to adapt to the child's natural stage of development. The approach is based on following the child, on recognizing the development needs and characteristics of children of each age and constructing the cooperating environment that best meet these needs. Maria Montessori observed that the child moves to adulthood throughout a series of their developmental period which describe a planness of development. Maria Montessori believed that if education follows a natural development of the child, then society would gradually move to the high level of cooperation, peace and harmony. आगे स्टूडेंट हम देखते हैं प्रिपेयर्ड इन्वायरमेंट. ये क्या इसमें मारिया मोंटेसरी की समझती हैं. Human beings are continuously reshaping the environment that they live in order to make their surroundings more practical for their work or better suited for relaxation. In other words, the environment is changed in order to look after specific physical or spiritual needs that humans have. Dr. Montessori keep the object that in children's house organization there was place for everything. Everything was marked. A simple outline of the object was drawn directly under the object so the child could easily put away every tool they use. For the outdoor, Dr. Montessori designed playgrounds and gardens with variety of trees and flowers. These were pathways for children to take walk, small benches to sit on the objects, such a hoops to play with. आगे क्या there is a constant interaction between the individual and his surrounding. This use of things shaped man, and man shapes things. Thus, reciprocal shape is a manifestation of man's love for the surrounding. मारिया मोंटेसरी. आगे हम चलते फ्रीडम इन एजुकेशन पे. मारिया मोंटेसरी क्या कहती है जी? फ्रीडम टू मारिया मोंटेसरी 1966 में ने कहा does not means that we leave a child on her own to do whatever she wishes to do. Rather, it means that we need to remove all obstacles which might hinder the child's normal development. Again, in a Montessori environment, the adult does not dedicate to child which activity he she should do, but freedom means that the child is free to choose an activity within a prepared environment. फिर है when children work in the child's house, they have a choice as to sit, for example, on a chair by a small table or use carpet floor for their work space. फिर है जी चुप कर जाओ. Freedom in education of Montessori, a very important sign the child needs to develop into a freedom growth human and be able to take his in society. आगे है movement in education. Maria Montessori contributed out of paper a set of curricular track. She had a child walk in a cycle, try not to step out of the track. Dr. Maria Montessori believed that the child should play outdoors so that they should be kept healthy and growth. Dr. Maria Montessori believed that the exercise was important not only for children but everywhere. She stated that every individual should take sufficient exercise to keep his muscular in a healthy state. They hung their outdoor garments on hooks which were placed on the wall within their reach. The small washstand were also within the child's reach so they could raise their hands and comb their head. Maria Montessori did not make use of toys for the teacher's purpose. Learning in a children's house was with the genuine utensil. She also designed a variety of dedicated materials for the children to make with the set themselves prepare for writers and characteristics. Seniority education and music. Dr. Maria Montessori believed that all senses should be trained and utilized. She desired a variety of activities for each other senses in order to develop fine sensitivity in their fingertips. She has a child taught to variety of materials such as lean and cold cotton and violet and silk. Then she could have the type of materials with the easiest close or a blind folder. For the teachers must Dr. Montessori wanted the children to listen to the sound. She has two set of bells on the land upon in order to according to the musical scale. The other set was in the mixed up order. The children would pick up the each bell from the first set of bright. It is the list carefully. Intellectual education. Dr. Maria Montessori 1960 described tasking little children to write by the first letting them taught the letter made of the wood with their index finger of the right hand and then with the two fingers index and the middle finger and on the third occasion have their tough and later with the over and wrote held like up in the writer. They learn for the example not only to recognize the genetic objective such as a rectangle and a cylinder but also the differentiation among the size of the rectangle or a cylinder. One of the exercise was the organized cylinder according to the width of the size when the children was the same with the self-recognition self-correction exercise so that the children would rejoice when they got all the cylinders in their correct place. All the Montessori's detects tools were self corrections, making the learning quite simple and straightforward. These exercises not only make children healthy but also give them training for particular life. आगे जी एक्सरसाइज फॉर सेंस ट्रेनिंग ये क्या मोंटेसरी attached more important to sensory training than learning thinking or reasoning. She therefore devised apparatus for providing exercise in sense training. The didactics apparatus sharpens the pupils' senses and accelerate learning. फिर है जी the senses of thought is developed by presenting water at different temperatures to the children. फिर है जी series of blocks and rods of grades. Diameters are also used for this purpose. Sense of hearing is developed through boxes containing pebbles and the other sound producing material. Senses of weight is cultivated through blocked and table of wood and variety weights. फिर जी color sense is trained through simply of woods and different colors arranged and graded according to the depend on the colors as well as have already stated under the principle of self education. फिर आगे जी है dedicated the exercise for teaching 3 hours. ये क्या है after sincerity training children and taught readers and writer and arithmetic in her system writing starting from the reading. For this purpose she depend upon the philosophy psychology principle of transfer of training. In her own words, preparatory movement could be converted and reduced to a mechanical by means of a rapid exercise not in the word itself but in which prepared for it. फिर आगे in the 1960s witness recurrence in Montessori school led by Dr. Nia McCormick Briss. Today Montessori's teachers methods continue to follow the child all over the globe. फिर है जी Montessori died on May 6, 1952 in Noordwijka, Jersey, Netherlands. आगे जी हम चलते हैं तो जी हम नया फिलोसफर शुरू हो रहा है ये है जी फ्रॉबल्स फिलोसफर. अब इनके मुताबिक ये देखते हैं फ्रॉबल्स फिलोसफर इज़ अ absolute idealism. He mainly pressed two great things, namely his idea of unity in diversity and his theory of development. आगे with regards to the form he visited the whole universe as the unity from the God the absolute. फिर in this book the education of man remark the whole world all the universe is a single great organism in which an internal uniformity manifests itself. The principle is uniformly express itself as much in external nature as in spirit. Development can be produced only by exercise or by use of faculty, physical, mental, or spiritual. If men, if media, if mind is to be developed, it should be exercised, and so is which the development of the body. Effective development is possible only if the exercise arise from the things own activity. Educators of future will continue to look to philosophies of the part of assistance in striving to attain the common goal of being jointly responsible for nurturing, educating, and cultivating each child towards his or her maximum potential through the educational process. फिर आगे जी Froebel's concept and aim of education. ये है the Froebel's education is growth from within. It is the development by which an individual realizes that he is one unit of all encompassed unit. Period. As regarding the aims of education, Froebel's wants all round development of the individual so that the may be able to express the spiritual, the divine, and the in him. Like Rubens and Froeb's and education researchers like to moral improvement, religious uplift, and spiritual insight. Then the child will be able to realize that he is in common compend of all the prevent and spirit which with is absolute unity. Finally, education should enable the child to enter cementarically into an activity of the society and perspectives of freedom in its activities and spirits. आगे जी हैं Froebel's kindergarten. Froebel's knowledge attached great impact to education in the child real easily life. He taught that if the education of preschool years was not properly reformed, not no tangible improvement should be made in school education. This is led him to establish a child for a small children between the ages of the 3 and 7. This chief characteristics of the kindergarten are self activity, creativeness, and social participation. आगे हमारे पास आते हैं जी मेथड ऑफ द टीचिंग इन द किंडरगार्टन. तो ये क्या है Froebel's kindergarten is a mature state for children in which they move freely and joyfully and course with the due consideration for each other. There are no books prescribed. The entire school program gives training in self expressed through movement and construction. फिर ये through such a procedure thoughts are stimulated, imaginated, with hands and eyes training, muscular coordination and moral nature strengthened. आगे जी हमारे पास टीचिंग थ्रू सॉन्ग्स ये है. इन द किंडरगार्टन एजुकेशन इज जनरली imparted through songs. It is therefore the songs are included in the daily C program. All the songs selected are included by Froebel are able are about the common object of life. फिर है day related to nursery games and satisfy some physical, intellectual or moral needs of children. These there are arranged no accordance with the development of the child. Besides plague, sound, Frubbles also devised such nursery rhythms as Jack and Jelly and Humpty Dumpty and Cinderella. This Cinderella. This main aim is to enable the child to use his senses, limits, and musical and muscles, and to make him familiar with the objects around him. आगे हमारे पास है टीचिंग थ्रू गिफ्ट्स एंड ऑक्यूपेशंस. ये क्या गिफ्ट एंड ऑक्यूपेशंस ऑफ फ्रबल्स आर द मोस्ट conceptualized contribution to the methodology of nursery education. ये gifts are simple educational toys which are presented to child in a defined order without charging their forms. आगे they train the senses of sight and touch. They give the idea of size, form and surface. Again, they also develop the name sense and artistic consciousness. In this way, the faculty further instructed in algebraic geometry, trigonometry and drawing. आगे है जी टीचिंग थ्रू प्ले. ये अबाउट प्लेइंग फ्रबल्स रिमार्क play in the characteristics activities of childhood. It is highest place of child development, of human development to the period for it is self activity, presentation or the inner representation of the inner form, inner necessity and impulse. He utilized play for cultivation in child and habits of act, feel and things. Courage, instead and motivation are also developed through play. But Frobel's play activities are also very well directed and guided by the teacher. आगे other subjects of the curriculum है. Beside the spontaneous self activities and play activities, Frobel's has a recommended mutual work, nature study and natural science, language, art, religion and instruction. About the insertion of mutual work, Frobel says, scholastic education of our time led children to intellect, the laziness and a vast amount of manpower remains undeveloped and is lost. Art activities like singing, drawing, painting, clay, modeling, woodwork and leather work provide the soul with opportunity for expression in these outward forms. आगे हमारे पास है जी रोल ऑफ द टीचर. ये टीचर इन द किंडरगार्टन एक्ट एज a gardener who function is to see the young plants, small children under her care growth according to their own natural course of development. Again, according to Frobel's education is control developed, so it is the duty of teacher to control this process. फिर है discipline play. उसमें क्या है डिसिप्लिन प्ले वे इन एजुकेशन फिर एम्फसाइज ऑन सेंस ट्रेनिंग फिर इंक्लिनेशन ऑफ नेचर स्टडी इन करिकुलम फिर कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ फ्रबल्स टू एजुकेशनल थ्योरी एंड प्रैक्टिस फिर एम्फसाइज ऑन नर्सरी एजुकेशन फिर रिस्पेक्ट फॉर द चिल्ड्रंस इंडिविजुअलिटी फिर सेल्फ एक्टिविटी इन एजुकेशन फिर लर्न थ्रू आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट फिर सोशोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ एजुकेशन. आगे जी है अगला हमारे पास जो अगला फिलोसफर आ रहा है वो है जी हेल्गन पार्कोरेस्टिक. 1887 से 1973 तक, और इसका कि इसको उसने दिया था डॉल्टन प्लान। अच्छा जी, इसमें क्या था, एलन पार्कुरस, originator of the Dalton Planner, founded the Dalton School in the New York, was international acclaim and honored for her contribution to education. फिर है Parkhurst was Montessori's associate. She know Kilpatrick, Brooke Wilburn, Davy Bow and Taylor. Specially she has these objectives. ये क्या नंबर 1, to tailor each student's program to his or her need, interested and abilities. आगे to promote both independent and dependability, and फिर क्या है, to enhance the students social skills and sense of responsibility towards others. फिर है जी, Dalton graduates frequently comment on how well prepared they were for college. Become the Dalton plan taught them how to budget their time, seek and faulty and take control of the other own educational. आगे जी, Prendergast philosophy क्या है जी, the Dalton school follows Parkhurst's particular philosophy education on the Dalton plan. इसमें क्या है, Parkhurst plan, Dalton plan reflect the child-centered progressive movement of the time, often chaotic and disorganized, but also intimate, caring, numerating and familiatic. फिर if focused on children growth and development, communication and social service, and is strive to effect synthesis between the affective and cognitive domain of the child. आगे जी, ये जी प्रोग्रेस्टिक डोमेन प्लान, ये इसमें क्या है, प्रोग्रेस्टिक डेवलपमेंट अ 3 पार्ट प्लेस द continuous to the structure formation of the Dalton education house and assessing एंड लेबर. ये इसने हाउस है इधर, ये इधर असेसमेंट है, और इधर क्या है, लेबॉर्ट्री है, और ये फ्रीडम है, और ये कॉर्पोरेशन है. ये इसका डल्टन प्लान ये था. आप इसको तस्वीर देखना है, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, एग्जाम में आपके काम आ सकती है. आगे देखते हैं इसके पार्ट्स में. पहला है जी हाउस. हाउस के बारे में कहते हैं, हेल्टन पार्कुलस बिलीव्ड इट वाज crucial that each students belong to the small community within the large school, a group where each child would learn under the watchful eye of the caring teacher the human skills needed to be successfully part of the group. This small group was so important to Parkhurst that she did not call it home room or adversary but home, and made it one of the 3 pillars of her Dalton plan. आगे जी, the house is the home base in school for each Dalton student, and house advisor is the parent keep contract with the school. फिर in the high school the house advisor serves as a coach and counselor, help to guide and advise student as they negotiate the right and multi-phased curriculum. आगे जी है assignments. इसमें क्या है, the assignment represent a contract between student and teacher. इसमें क्या है, स्टूडेंट और टीचर में कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो है वो कायम होता है. इन एडिशन टू defining common obligation for daily class work, long-term projects and homework, Dalton assignments are unique structure to promote the internalize and refinement of time management and organizing skills, which offer students opportunity to develop their individual strength and address their special needs. Again, the assignment in the instruction in the first program and increasing its shape, scope and complexity through middle and high school. आगे लेबॉर्ट्री, ये इसमें क्या था उन्होंने, लैब टाइम इज़ द टाइम ड्यूरिंग द वीकली schedule for the students to make with their teachers individually or a small group. This is time for inquire direct experience and collaboration. The time can be used to complete assessment purpose, topic of interest or remedy learning. Such time in is called lab because as Helen Parkhurst explained, it is for the students to experiment and be free to work on their job, not for their to be experimental upon. आगे जी step by step they are presented with the opportunity to make educational choices about their learning and in the process discover how identify their interest and take responsibility to pursuing them. आगे जी हमारे पास है प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डेल्टन प्लान, ये क्या है, देयर आर टू प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डेल्टन प्लान, ये क्या है, नंबर 1 द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ फ्रीडम, इफ fortress independent and creative beginning with the individual's interests. फिर है नंबर 2 पे ये different students all have different ways of thinking and performing tasks. आगे providing ample time for learning and keeping to the pace of how the individual students proceed nourishes students motivation and approach to learn as well as their ability to preserve. आगे नंबर 3 है the principle of cooperation. It enables children to master social skills and collaborate through exchanging with a variety of people. आगे नंबर 4 different students all have different ways of thinking and performing tasks, providing ample time for learning and keeping to the pace of how the individual students proceeds, nurtures students motivation and approach to learn as well as their ability to perceive. आगे जी है करिकुलम, करिकुलम में क्या है जी, विद इन आ डेफिनेशन बट फ्लेक्सिबल करिकुलम द फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम factually industrialized learn to children at different level of development. Teachers vary the pace of instruction in the basic skills enable each child to achieve both personal and academic success. आगे जी the curriculum at the first program is extend through numerous field through that multiple of the many of the child many कुछ भी नहीं as well as the through Dalton's listener with the monopolists. आगे जी curriculum of art, the curriculum of natural history and the other institution. These trips are an integral part of the children education experience. An overnight nature study trip for third graders in highlight of the program. आगे homework regularly formal homework assigned begin in the second grade and are in integral part of the Dalton plan. इसमें क्या है, they represent the child commitment to complete the material to be covered. Homework is planned to help the child to begin to learn time management, establish a route for home study and develop responsibility towards schoolwork. It is designed so that the students can complete it with a small independent as possible. फिर है parents are encouraged to help their children find an appropriate study time and place on occasion. How assignments may be given in kindergarten and first grade. आगे जी the goal of homework is first program is to provide opportunity for children to realize that school work often requires through attention and discipline. आगे जी सिमिलरिटी एंड डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन द मॉन्टेसरी एंड डल्टन प्लान, इसमें क्या है जी देखते हैं, बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर के हिसाब से काइंडली स्टूडेंट के याद करने. देयर आर इंडीड रिजेम्बलेंस बिटवीन प्रेकुलरिस्टिक parquistic and Montessori, but also significant differences. Three examples of similarities are: number one क्या है जी, the freedom on the part of the pupil. Number second क्या है, the emphasize on independence and individual learning by using specific learning material. अगला नंबर थ्री है जी, the faith in the motivating disciplinary and evident efforts of एक्टिव लर्निंग. आगे के देयर आर सम डिफरेंसेस, वो भी हम देख लेते हैं स्टूडेंट्स के. इन डल्टन पेलन द टीचर रोल्स सिग्निफिकेंट ग्रेटर देन दैट द टीचर इन द मोंटेसरी मेथड. आगे के पार्कलेंस असाइंड आर नॉट ऑटो एविकेटिव, एट लीस्ट नॉट टू एक्सटेंड द मोंटेसरी मटेरियल आर. नंबर बी के पार्कलेंस बिलीव दैट एक्टिविटी हैज़ एन instinctive motivation and inspiration effect irrespective of the constant of the activity, hence of all which public is doing. According to Montessori, this does depend on the content of the activity, participative on the relationship between the activity and natural development. It depends on what the child is ready for in terms of his natural development. आगे जी है प्रोक्लोफ्रारी, ये जी 1921 से 1997 तक हैं. और जी ये क्रिटिकल पेडागोगी का इन्होंने बारे में बताया है, वो हम देखते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. वो है जी प्लियोफ्रीक्रेस्टी, well known as the most influential radical education theorist of the 20th century. His impact upon the peace education, adult education, non-formal education and critical literacy has been incalculated. Born in 1921 in Recife in the Brazilian Northeast and is raised in a middle class family that hits a hard time during the Great Depression. As a result, Ferrari directly experienced the impact of poverty and educational opportunity in a way that marked his entire career. He described the educational system using the words such as domesticating and banking. He constructed banking education with he called liberalism or problem possible education. Problem possible education is then originated framework for the critical pedagogy. He described it also in which people develop their own to perceive critically that what critically the way they exist in the world with which and in what they find themselves. Again जी following is the summary of the assumptions and dimensions of the Ferrari's contribution to critical pedagogy. He lists the following four dimensions. इसके नंबर 4 है. नंबर 1 है जी education means critical understanding of reality. उसके education means making a commitment to the utopica and changing reality. आगे जी education means training those who will make this change. फिर है जी education means dialogue. आगे जी Ferrari's aim of education, फिर Ferrari's curriculum, फिर Ferrari's critical pedagogy, फिर है जी dialogical continuous rising, फिर precise actions और intervention. आगे जी generative themes and codification. आगे जी teaching learning environment है ये according to Ferrari's teaching learning environment इसमें should be based on the following character. ये जी है characteristics: पार्टिसिपेटरी, फिर है डायलॉजिकल, फिर है डेमोस्ट्रेटिव, फिर है एक्टिविस्ट, फिर है इफेक्टिव. आगे एकदम टीचिंग थ्रू रिलेशनशिप, ये क्या केयरफुली एनालाइज ऑफ द टीचिंग students' relationship at any level of inside or outside the children reveals its fundamentally narrative character. Period. Relationship involves the narratory subject teachers and patient listen object student. आगे जो education does become an act of depositing in which the students are two depositories and teacher is depositor. Again, the teacher should consider himself or herself as a student. Among students given rise to new terms, that is teachers, students with that student teacher, that is teachers who learning and learning who teaches. Period. The basic assumption are that no one can teach anything else, no one can learn alone. Period. And that people learn through acting in and other words. आगे concept tools के Ferrari urge both the students and teachers to unlearn their race, place and class and genders and privilege and to engage in the dialogue with those who experience are very different from their own. फिर है बैंकिंग एजुकेशन में ये क्या है जी फ्रारी फेवरेट मेटा phase for traditional education. The banking method focus on the stifling creativity and critical thought in many education. ये problem possible method. Again, the banking model Ferrari possessed a dialogical problem possessed method of education पर एक crucial circle ही के the concern based on the Ferrari's dialogue system of education in the critical circle in which students are coordinated through and discuss generative theme that have significant within the context of students life. आगे है जी की पॉइंट्स तो ये क्या नंबर 1 क्या मारिया मोंटेसरी ऑब्जर्व इन द यंग children a phenomena she called the absent mind. फिर अगला है जी मोंटेसरी is a special way for the child and adult to be taught. अगला है जी the Montessori classroom allows each child freedom to select activities which correspond to his or her own periods of interest and readiness. आगे जी मारिया Montessori observed that the child moves to adulthood through a series of developmental periods which describe a plan of development. फिर Dr. Montessori believed that exercise was important not only for children but everyone. Montessori has devised certain formal systematic series exercises which developed coordination movement in the child. At Montessori's level, children are taught reading, writing and arithmetic after scenery training. आगे क्या है Froebel's philosophy is of absolute idealism. इसमें क्या है जी in kindergarten the philosophy of the early years sitting was the practical work and the direct use of material. फिर है gift and occupation of Froebel's are most conspicuous and contribution to the methodology of nursery education. आगे जी हमारे पास स्कीम में आ रहा है the Dalton School founded by Helen Parkhurst in New York in 1919 was one of the important progressive school created in the earliest part of the 20th century. Number 12 है जी Parkhurst Dalton plan reflect the child-centered program movement of its time. फिर है जी house assignment and laboratory are basic components of Dalton plan. आगे जी the principle of freedom and the principle of corporation are two principles of Dalton plan. आगे जी Ferrari believed that the oppressed could transform their situation in life by thinking critically about reality, and then taking act. And for this education of indigenous and dominated people in very important. आगे क्या है? Ferrari's pedagogy includes the goal of the critical consciousness. Pedagogy dialogues is a class or old or proven method in education. Pedagogy praxis is the reflection and action upon which the world is order to transform it. आगे जी Frarian's critical teacher is a problem possessed to who asks through providing questions and um, encourage students to ask their own questions. आगे जी 20 ये Ferrari's favorite metaphor for traditional education, the banking method, focused on the stifling creative and critical thoughts in mass education. फ़ी अमानिल्लाह। यहाँ हमारा 8609 हमारे पूरे के पूरे चैप्टर्स भी कंप्लीट होते हैं और हमारा यूनिट 9 भी कंप्लीट होता है। तो गुड लक टू योर एग्ज़ाम और अल्लाह हाफ़िज़। मेरी तरफ से मुझे 9 में याद रखिएगा।